Hello fellow boaters, this is David with David's Yacht Service, and this is my most recent engine overhaul for an Atomic 4. As you can tell, this is a little bit bigger motor. It's the reduction drive motor for sailboats, usually 33, 36 feet. And in this particular case, the motor had gotten some water in it, and the number 2 and number 3 pistons had froze inside the block. So had to tear it completely down and replace quite a few parts on it, including both those pistons and the manifold and the cylinder head, all of which needed some work. And it has all been completed now. I have test run the engine and she's ready to go. Be delivered back to the owner's mechanic, and he'll install her back into the boat she came from. And I just wanted to give you a shot at these. I've done quite a few of the direct drives, but this is my first of the reduction gear motors. I also am running my dry stack muffler for testing her. So we're running the water out onto the lawn and the exhaust out into the air. And I'm going to set the phone down for a minute and start her up, and then I'll get the phone back up and we'll get going again. Here she is, running now, and a little noisy to talk over, so I won't talk quite so much. But you can see the output shaft there is spinning, which she'll do in neutral. She's in neutral now. And you can hear the dry stack muffler up here above kicking out, and you can put my hand out here in her and see how evenly she runs. Also, the engine runs nice and cool. See my little Mustang behind her there. Put my hand right on the manifold. I used the temperature gauge a little earlier, checked her all out. The cylinder head runs cool, manifold is cool, and you can see alternator back here has been rebuilt, starter's been rebuilt, new tune-up set, and I can also shift it for you. Put her in reverse here. Little noisy, that's normal. When you come out of reverse, it'll stop and then drag forward. And then she goes into forward also. Anyway, it's all good. Ready for the owner. And just thought I'd give you a show. Take care now.